Hey Dutch crew, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be making some Korean chicken wings. We're going to be cooking them on the Hellrazr Yama and we're going to be using the rotisserie basket. So come on, let's cook. In a bowl I've got 1 kilo, that's about 2 pounds of chicken wings. I've got some salt and I've got 1 tablespoon of Gochugaru, which is Korean chili pepper flakes. So we're going to spread that over the chicken wings. We're going to add our salt and we're going to get the hand in. So we're going to give these a good mix in, make sure all the chicken wings are covered with this chili pepper powder. And they're ready. We've already got the charcoal lit in our Hellrazr Yama. We've mounted the rotisserie on and we've fitted a basket. We're going to get the wings in. Even these chicken wings out in the basket. Get the lid back on. And we're going to take them for a spin. While the wings are cooking, we're going to make a glaze for them. So I've got 2 tablespoons of Gochujang, 2 teaspoons of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 piece of ginger that we've chopped, 4 garlic cloves that we've chopped, and 1 teaspoon of mayo. All the ingredients are in the bowl, so all we need to do now is give it a good mix. And that's our glaze ready. The wings have been on for about 35 minutes, they're 3/4 of the way cooked. What we're going to do now is take them off. What we're going to do now is stop the rotisserie, undo the basket, I'm just going to take them out, place them into a bowl. What we're going to do now is take our Korean glaze, add it to the bowl. We're going to get our hand in again and give it a good mix through. Make sure all these wings are covered in all this goodness. Back into the basket. Oh, one got away. Lid on. And now we're going to finish off cooking until these wings hit 74 degrees C internal temperature. As you can see, that glaze is starting to do its magic. The honey in there is starting to caramelise and give these chicken wings a nice crisp exterior. Our chicken wings have hit an internal temperature of 74 degrees C, so we're going to turn off the rotisserie, we're going to take the basket off and we're going to get these served up. We're serving these Korean style chicken wings with some sesame seed, spring onions. Remember that glaze we made? Well, I made another batch but added 3 tablespoons of lemon juice to use as a dipping sauce. Time to have a taste test. Dip in our sauce. That sauce really makes these wings slightly creamy. You can taste the lemon juice and you can really taste that chilli coming through. was chosen especially for you.